Today I decided to drop everything to make some stickers for my kids to bring to school. Mental health and suicide hit really close to home for our family. I lost my husband of 11 years to suicide. My kids were 6 and 10 years old. Right now, it is an epidemic of how bad all of this stuff is going around with young kids these days. Suicide, self-harm, depression. So I decided to make them stickers that they could take to school and pass around to all their friends. Spread the love, spread the joy, let everybody know that they're not alone, that their mental health problems are not different than everyone else's. Everybody struggles. There's help when you need it. And so I decided to make them laminated because I wanted them to last. I wanted the kids to be able to stick them on their notebooks or on their phone cases or on the lockers at school or wherever they wanted to put them. So this is how the laminate turned out. I didn't have to do any of the fancy offsetting that you see on a normal tutorial videos that I was looking up. The lamination glued right to the plain sticker paper. These kids need to know that they matter. You are loved. You are not alone. You are enough. Suicide is never the answer. It's okay to not be okay. Mental health matters. You matter.